Friends, today I'll be doing sums from class 10 exercise 3.3. It's a substitution method. Now, when you hear the word substitution or substitute, it means you have to replace and then you have to do the sum. So in this case, what you have to do is you have to find the value of x and y. Now, to find the value of x and y, now one equation is x plus y equal to 14 and another is x minus y is equal to 4. What we have to do first is we have to replace any of it. Now say let's find this one, okay? Say this is say equation number 1 and this is equation number 2, say, okay? Now from this equation number 2, now from equation number 2, x minus y is equal to 4. Let's find the value for x. Then x is equal to what? Let the equal sign be here, let the 4 be here, and as we are replacing this, as we are taking this minus y to the right hand side of this equal, it will become plus y. That is x is equal to 4 plus y. Let's name it as say 3. Okay. Now what you have to do, you have found just x is equal to 4 plus y you are getting. So we will substitute this value in equation number 1. Okay. Substituting equation 3, this equation in, as I said, in 1. Okay. Now equation 1 is what? X plus y equal to 14. So first I will write x plus y is equal to 14. Okay. Now what you have to do? You have to substitute the value and you will find the result. Now what is x here? X is equal to 4 plus y, right? So for this x I will write here 4 plus y, then this plus here and this y here is equal to 14. Now see, 4 plus how many y's? 2. 2y equal to 14. Now our target is to find the value of y. So first you write here 2y, we will just take this 4 to the right hand side, that is equal to 14 as it is. This 4 you are bringing it to the right side of equal, so it becomes minus 4, that is 2y is equal to 14 minus 4 is how much, say 10. Now you have to find the value of this y. So if you have to find the value of this y, that means you have to take out this 2 from here. So what you will do with this 2 now? As it is 2 into y, when we bring this 2 on the right hand side, it will be in this position, y is equal to 10 as it is in the multiplication position. When it comes to the right hand side, it becomes divided by 2. Okay. Now 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. So you are getting that y is equal to 5. Clear? Now y equal to 5 you got. Now what you have to find is x. Now see students, there were two equations, that is equation number 1 and equation number 2. Now the value of y you can put in any of the equation. Let's put it in equation number 1, or you can even put in the 2. You are getting the same value. So now putting the value of y in equation number 1. What is equation number 1? What is equation number 1? It is x plus y is equal to 14, right? Okay. Now you have the value for y, that is x plus y is equal to how much? 5 is equal to 14. Now x is equal to 14, you will just write as it is, and now what you have to do is you have to bring this 5 on the right hand side, that is 14 minus 5. Now what is the answer? Say, you know the answer. Okay, you say what would be the answer for it, and you are getting the value of x, right? Okay, calculate it. Okay, got the answer? Okay, it is 9. Okay. Okay. Now, so what you are getting is the value for, therefore x is equal to 9 and y is equal to 5. Okay. Now say, students, if you think that if the answer is right or wrong, what you have to do is you just do a rough calculation and just find out if your answer is right or wrong. So for that, what you have to do is, now say, here I am doing the rough work, okay? Here I am doing the rough work to find if my sum is right or wrong. So what I will do is, first of all, I will take the equation number 1, okay? Proof if my sum is right or wrong. No need to do this one. Just for your own satisfaction, you can do it. Now say, proof x plus y is equal to 14, you know. Now, what was the value for x you got? The value for x was 9, right? Okay, now the value for x was how much? Okay, the value for x was 9. So what I will do is, I will put the value of x is equal to 9 over here, and y is how much? Y is equal to 5. So this 14 I will write here. Now 9 plus 5 is how much? 14, right? 14 is equal to 14. That means LHS equal to RHS. That means my answer is okay. Am I clear to you all, friends? If you all like this video, please share it with your friends so that they can also learn something, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Okay friends, this is question number 2 of exercise 3.3 class 10. Okay, let's do this sum. Now see friends, here the question is that s minus t equal to 3 and s by 3 plus t by 2 equal to 6. Let's name it as equation number 1 and this one is 2. This is the first thing you will do so that the sum becomes easy for you to do. Okay. Now see, from equation 1 what we are getting is, from equation 1 s minus t is equal to 3. Okay. Now we will just find this value of s. Now s is equal to what? Equal, same, 3 I will write here. I have to take this t on the right hand side of equal. So as it is minus t, when I bring it in the right hand side, it will become plus t. So you are getting the value of s is equal to 3 plus t. Okay. Now let's name it as 3. Now as it is a substitute method, you have to substitute this value in any of the equation 1 or 2. Now, in equation 2, what we are getting is, now substituting the value of equation 3 in 2. Okay. Now the 2 is s by 3 plus t by 2 is equal to 6, right? Okay, now what I have to do is, I have to substitute the value. Now what is the value? S is equal to 3 plus t. So in this s, here is the s, and I will substitute this value, that is 3 plus t. 3 plus t by 3 plus this t by 2 is equal to 6. What you have to do now, you have to take the LCM of these two numbers, and you know the LCM of these two numbers is 6. Now what I have to do is, 3 plus t into 2, I will write it here, that is 2 into 3 plus t, plus this 3 will go here, that is 3 into t is equal to 6. Now 2 into 3 is 6 plus 2 into 2 is 2t plus 3t is equal to this 6, and I have to take this 6 over here. Now as it is, this number is divided by 6, when I am taking it to the right hand side, it will become into 6. Okay. Now 6 plus 2t plus 3t is how much? 5t is equal to 6 into 6 is 36. Now 5t is equal to 36, and I have to bring this 6 on the right hand side. Then 36 minus 6 is 30. Then t is equal to 30 divided by 5. 5 is 6 is 30. So you are getting the value of t, right? So what is the value of t? T is equal to 6. Now what you have to find the value for the t and also for s. Now what you have to do is you have to substitute the value of 6 in any of the equation. So let's write it in this way. Substituting the value of t, substituting the value of t in equation 1, or you can even do in equation 2. Equation 1 was what? S minus t is equal to 3. Okay. Now s minus t equal to 3. S I have to find out, so I'll write s minus t was how much? 6 is equal to 3. As I have to find this s, so I am writing it this way, s equal, then 3, I'll write it here. As it is minus 6, it will go to the right hand side, it will become plus 6. Then 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. So what you are getting is, therefore s is equal to 9 and t is equal to 6. Now can you remember in the first sum I have done a proof to see if my sum is right or wrong. So let's do it here too, to find out if my sum is right or wrong. So it's just do a rough work here and you just try to do. Okay. Now say proof if my sum is right or wrong. This is a rough work. Okay. Sorry. And what was the equation? Equation was 1 was s minus t is equal to 3, right? What was the value for s? 9. What is the value for t? It is 6 is equal to these 3. 9 minus 6 equal to 3 is equal to 3. That is LHS equal to RHS. Therefore my sum is right. Am I clear to you all friends? Okay. If you all like my video, please share and give a like, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching.